guys, and welcome to Satpa's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below if you haven't already. My name is Khadija. Essential oils are becoming increasingly trendy these days. You might be using essential oils just to add a signature scent to your space, be it your bedroom, your office, or be it using on your face to give a nice lit from within glow. And today I'm going to be talking to you guys about essential oils and what mistakes you need to avoid while using them to get better use out of your essential oils. In any case, do not compromise on quality of the essential oil. It's very important to get your essential oils from a recognized seller because there are a lot of harmful chemicals in fake essential oils that can cause great harm to your health. Many companies are using synthetic oils instead of natural ones, so make sure your oils are organic, they're not filled with any fillers or pesticides or any synthetic material that might be making it harmful. Now, a lot of these essential oils like tea tree oil, lavender, eucalyptus are all very concentrated essential oils and they need to be diluted with another carrier oil. A lot of people make the mistake of not diluting the oil and using it directly onto your skin or your hair. It causes a lot of damage, so make sure you're not doing that. Talking about dilution of essential oils, the third mistake that a lot of people also make is diluting essential oils with water. Now, it's a very basic concept to know that water and oil do not mix. So technically, just throwing in some drops of eucalyptus or tea tree oil in your bath will not have any impact and they will not dilute it. If you're putting your baby in such a bath, the oil will not mix with the water and it will directly touch the baby's skin with its concentrated form, which might cause burns and other reactions. So make sure you're diluting your oils with another carrier oil like almond oil or coconut oil. Make sure you know what sort of essential oils mix with other carrier oils, but almond oil is generally a very good way to go. Now, another mistake that you might be making and you might want to avoid is using essential oils outside in the sun. Now, a lot of essential oils are very photosensitive, so they should not be used outside in the sunlight. Otherwise, they might cause sensitive reactions to your skin and also might cause burns. Some of the essential oils that should not at any cost be used in sunlight are bergamot, lemon, grapefruit, and lime. So again, make sure you're doing your research on your essential oils and are generally avoiding using essential oils before going out in the sun. Or make sure you're just wearing SPF. Diffusion is a very easy and popular method of using essential oils and you might also be doing it. But what you might not know and the mistake you might be making is using it continuously. Some people like to just put it on at night and leave their diffusers on throughout the night. Make sure that if you're doing that, then you're in a very well ventilated room and you want to take intervals after every 30 minutes of diffusing the room. And again, even while diffusing, it's very important to dilute your oils, so make sure to dilute it with another carrier oil like almond oil as mentioned earlier and use it to diffuse then. Now, another mistake a lot of people make is not doing enough research. You just go by what you've heard. If someone else is using lavender oil, you'll be like, sure, I'll use a lavender oil. But you need to know what to use when. So let's take the example of lavender oil. Lavender oil is a very good muscle relaxant and it helps you sleep and relieves anxiety. But if used in daytime or while working, it will make you lazy and it will not be of any use at all. And there's a similar situation with peppermint oil. So if you use peppermint oil before going to bed, it's going to make you very energetic and you might not be able to sleep after that. So make sure you're doing your research, figure out what you actually need and get an essential oil for that issue. Now, face oils are very trendy these days. A lot of companies are coming out with their own concoctions, but people are also going down the DIY route and just collecting their own essential oils and making a face oil for themselves. Now, it's very important again to do your research and I would suggest avoiding mixing your own essential oils because if not mixed correctly or in the correct quantities, then it might lead to a very harmful reaction for your skin and you don't want to do that. So if you're using essential oils in your beauty routine, then make sure you're using it with proper consultation from an expert. Now, another mistake that you also might be making is using essential oils the same way with adults and the same way with kids. Baby skin is very sensitive, so you might not need to use as many essential oils near or on it as on adult skin. And even if you're using an essential oil near or on a baby, then make sure it's in a very low quantity as compared to the adult. Now, continuing on the topic of consumption of essential oils, it's very important to know that just like when we use a lot of antibiotics, they stop affecting the diseases in our body. It's very important to use essential oils in moderation. Do not go overboard with the use of essential oils because essential oils are so concentrated. Make sure you're using them very thoughtfully and sparingly, whichever routine you're using in it. Last but not the least, after you've done all the research about essential oils, make sure you know your conditions, and especially consider this if you are pregnant, on birth control, or have any other serious medical condition. Some essential oils might lead to hormonal disbalance, or they might trigger some sort of response in your hormones. Generally, a few essential oils that you might want to stray away from if you have any such conditions are lemon, clary sage, and geranium. So those were 10 mistakes you should avoid while using essential oils. Thank you for watching me on Satwa's YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe down below.